we doing, everyone?
Hi, everyone.
We're going to take our truck, Big Jake, over to the Catskills, and we're going to see how much he really weighs and see what the true load is that we can haul with this, because we got our brackets on for the hauling the camper and our little box that we had built so the camper could only go up so far. So we're going to take it over and see what the true numbers really are.
So we'll see you over there. All right, we just got here. We're at the Flying J in New Milford, Pennsylvania, and we're heading up here to the Catskills. We want to see how much we are unloaded.
First way.
Truck number?
Private.
Okay, I'm going to put down number 1.
Okay, thank you. That's all there's to it. Now we just go ahead and get a receipt and see how much it weighs. Well, we went in, got the cat scale, got the weigh sheet, and the numbers look pretty good, better than actually we thought. It cost $13 to get it weighed, and so our truck, we can weigh totally 14,000. Our total weight for our vehicle was 7,780 pounds. So 6,220 pounds. That's after we put our brackets on for a camper, plus our thing so our camper only could, or little box that we put in there so it only could slide up. So yeah, we got 6,220 pounds. So pretty pleased with those numbers after all the steel that we put on it. And we still got a few things to put on it. So our next time we're going to weigh it with the camper, and so we can get an actual weight of how much we're actually hauling around with the camper on. So just wanted to show you how this all works. It's pretty easy. You just push the button and they ask first or second weigh. You tell them first weigh. They ask you the private or whoever you're working for. You just tell them private, and they give me truck 1 since I didn't have a number. They ask you your number. So pretty easy. So it's good to know. The front steer axle was 4,240 pounds. And the rear axle was 3,540 pounds. So, yep, anxious to see how we make out when we get the camper. Hope it's good. So, you folks have a good one.
Hey, everyone.
How we doing? We're up here to Flying J's, and we're gonna put Big Jake and the White Pearl on the scale.
We have it all loaded up from when we went to the truck camper rally.
Yeah, that was a good turnout. There was I think 19 of us, and
They're going to have it again next year at the same time.
Yep. So it was 2 weeks ago we went, and so the truck's all loaded up. We have the electric bikes. We got 2/3 tank of water in there because we go up on the hill, and we have that, and a full tank of gas. So we're gonna see what the Big Jake and the White Pearl weighs.
Let's go check it out.
Yep, we'll see you then. Pulling up on the scale.
Is this your first way or re-way?
First way,
Your truck number, please.
1.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you. That's all there's to it. Just push the button and they'll ask you first way or second way. Tell them first way, and that's it. We'll go in and pick up her slip. I think it's $13. That was last time. So let's go and get it. Well, we just got the paper back from the Pearl, Big Jake and the Pearl, and it weighs 13,420 pounds. Unloaded, without the Pearl, it weighed 7,780 pounds, just the truck. And that's a full tank of gas, and we have a full tank of gas now, 2/3 tank of water and all. I have 4,720 pounds on the front axle and 8,700 pounds on the rear axle. So really, with it loaded and unloaded, I could really probably need to put some more weight on the front. I think there's only, let's see, 300 more pounds or so that we gained. So, but I'm glad to see that we're underweight. We can haul 14,000. So, well, it's just good to know it is. So, you folks have a good one.